Hello friends, again I'm here to share with you another recipe, that is chicken curry. A simple chicken curry, but I used some special spices over here. Which spices I will be telling you later on. First, you see what ingredients I'm using over here. It is chicken, 500 grams chickens, it's there. And in this chicken I have marinated for half an hour before, so it was marinated with turmeric powder, that spices which I am going to share with you, and mustard oil. Of course I will use here mustard oil because it's mustard oil is very nice, gives nice flavor in non-veg items. So I'm using here mustard oil to marinate. I used here mustard oils and turmeric powders and spices. This is the spices where I have used roasted. All the spices I have roasted over here in dry roasted. The spices are red chili powder, not red chili powder, you have to use red chili, black pepper, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, methi seeds, and cinnamon stick. One cinnamon stick, medium, this kind of size it will, I'm using over here. Two cardamom seeds, and 3-4 longs. Okay, so this one, those masalas I have roasted first, then I grind it. So you have to use these spices in this when you are doing marination, that time only. And after this I'm using, and potato, I'm using fried potato. I have fried potatoes with a little turmeric powder and salt. And after that I'm using some paste of onion, garlic and ginger, green chilies. Those paste I'm using over here. Chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, and 2 to 3 tablespoon of curds. I'm using these ingredients to make that chicken gravy or curry, whatever you can say. Okay, so let's start. First, what you have to do, I'm going to explain you one by one. On your gas, basically I like to prepare this gravy in pressure cooker, as because I'm using chicken over here, so you can make it in karai also or frying pan also, but I prefer pressure cooker. In pressure cooker only I make everything, means whatever gravy I need I just prepare in the in pressure cooker, then I give some 2 or 3 sitting, so it becomes tender. The chicken becomes so tender, so it gives a nice taste. Okay, so let's start. First you have to use some mustard oil. You can see oil became hot over here. Now I can add here chopped onion, fry for a while. Now I am adding over here ginger garlic onion paste. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic onion paste I am using over here. Mix it properly. Raw smell should come out in medium flame. Now you can add tomato. One medium sized tomato I am using. per your taste. And one thing, I didn't add any salt in means in when I did marination. I will, this is the first time I am adding salt over here. Next I will add more, but for during marination I didn't add any salt. Mix it properly and cook in medium flame. Let the oil come out. Now I will add marinated chicken. Mix chicken properly with the gravy, with the masala, not gravy yet. Now add curd. Mix it properly again. Once it is half done, that time you can add salt. Whatever salt you need, but do not add more now. Now after mixing it properly, you have to cover it for a few minutes. So now cover it with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes, at least 5 to 7 minutes. Between 5-6 minutes you can saute for a while, 1 or 2 times, so that it do not stuck or stick on the frying pan. It's nice smell is coming out. Let's see. Yes, you need to give more time. In between you just add salt and fried potatoes. Just add potatoes. Mix properly. Now add salt. Mix again. If you need more color, you can add little more turmeric also. Yes, now you have to cover it again for a few minutes, again for 5 minutes. In between you can saute 1 or 2 times. Let it cook. Saute 1 more time. cover it with lid again. And one more thing, you just get ready 1 cup of warm water. You have to mix to make chicken gravy. Let's check if the chicken become tender or not. Yes, it is almost done. Few minutes you need to finish it. Check potato also. Yes, it is also done. One thing you can add, if you have kasuri methi in your house, you can add kasuri methi also. So it gives a nice flavor in chicken. Sometimes I use in this preparation, the same preparation I can use. Sometimes I use kasuri methi or sometimes I don't use. So today I am not using, but you can add. Now I have to add warm water. How much gravy you want, as per your requirements, you have to add warm water. Now put your gas in simmer. And let it cook for few minutes. Yes, I think it is done now. You can off your gas and serve it in a serving bowl. And of course, serve it with rice or chapati also you can use to for this with this chicken gravy or curry. Okay, so please make this prepare this dish and tell me how it was. And if you have any questions or if you have any doubt, you can ask me also about ingredients, about spices. You can add by your choice also, but it is my version only. So just make this one and see how it is coming out. Okay, so this is the preparation I have done. So thank you to all of you. I think you have enjoyed the recipes a lot. Thanks a lot. I will be back again. See you again. Okay, bye.